Hi guys, how you all been doing so far? Hope you've been all fine. As you all can see, a detailed display of my collection. These are a few articles that would just fit into this table. I'm not flooded the whole. If I take out all my items, the room would be filled. So I just picked little bit so that the table would be filled with my articles. So what should I start it off with first? I'll start off with this. This is a fruit tray and I got it many years back. It's almost been 20 years. There was an exhibition in Cochin because I was staying there. Before marriage I was in Cochin and there was an exhibition over there and I got this tray from there, and since then I have kept it because I've always been a very strong a passionate person for collecting these kind of articles. I'm very passionate towards all beautiful stuff. Maybe it can be clothing, it can be articles or any fancy decor, anything. So let's move to the next article. The next article is this. Now these cups, they look like something like in the 40s or 50s when the Britishers had come. ऐसे कप लग रहे हैं ना ये, बट मुझे ये कप मिल गए थे. देख रहे हैं आप कितने खूबसूरत है. These cups एक्चुअली मैंने इनको सूप बाउल्स की तरह यूज किया हुआ है. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने इसमें सूप स्पून डाले हुए हैं. आई एम यूजिंग इट एज अ सूप बाउल. वेल इट्स योर चॉइस. यू कैन इवन पुट आइसक्रीम इन इट. आइसक्रीम भी डाल के आप खा सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट मैंने आइसक्रीम्स के लिए तो बड़े स्पून्स मंगा के ऐसे रखे हुए हैं. आई वांटेड टू शो यू. ऐसे मैंने स्पून्स इतने बड़े वाले रखे हुए हैं. So you can use these long spoons comfortably enjoy your ice cream. I really wish I had the ice cream and I would have showed you कितना मजा आता है. इतने it's got a like pretty wide enough. You can just dig into your ice cream and enjoy it. चलो. Right now let it be for the soup. We'll go to the spoons. Okay. These are small little spoons, as you can see. These are small little spoons I bought. Like जैसे कोई आता है तो if you want to add sugar, extra sugar, it's for stirring. बहुत गंदे लगते हैं if you giving a spoon. So I got these pretty lovely small little pretty spoons. I'll hold it like this. Should I hold it like this? Yeah. It's pretty sweet. बहुत cute and मैंने बड़े संभाल के रखे हुए थे ये. I do use it when somebody comes and then I wipe them, keep them. बड़े संभाल के अंदर रखती हूँ फिर. क्योंकि ये चीज़ें केयर भी मांगती हैं. You can't just use it and just wash and throw it off and just put it in some bag and like I'll use it next time. No guys, no. You have to treasure these things. चाहे आपको ये बहुत मिलते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है कि you buy it or use it and just dispose it and then you next time निकालेंगे. And these are the other spoons. These are another variety of spoons. These are for ice creams. So basically they are for desserts. If you're having a brownie, a cook, or you're having your ice cream, your souffle, these spoons are very cute to use. So, don't you feel so? It's nice, right? Chalo, let's move to the next product. Let me give you a review on this. I got this from Amazon. Basically, my daughters, as I told you in my previous vlogs, they are in Bangalore and Delhi studying. So when my husband is at home, I worry for him because he doesn't know head or tails of cooking. He doesn't even know how to heat the food. He doesn't seriously know. Either he microwaves it and leaves it, and उनको ये भी नहीं पता कि कितनी सेटिंग लगानी है. वो पता लगे कि 1 मिनट की चीज़ वो 4 मिनट लगा दे, thinking that कि वो गर्म ही नहीं हुआ होगा. So I bought this handy box. It has got 2 partitions. One for the liquid anything, जैसे दाल हो, आपकी कोई भी ऐसे liquid item हो, and one for the vegetables. So all he has to do is, I've taught him, just place it into the microwave and just heat it for maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, and it's handy for him. He just takes it out, takes his chapati, dips in and has his food. So in either ways, एक तो गैस बची, दूसरा मेरे बर्तन नहीं जले क्योंकि मेरे हस्बैंड उनको जलाया नहीं, और उनको आता ही नहीं जलाना, सॉरी उनको आता ही नहीं कैसे गर्म करा जाता है, और तीसरा आपके बर्तन भी कम, मतलब फॉर द हाउस हेल्प बर्तन भी कम हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज शी ओनली हैज टू वॉश दिस एंड अ प्लेट, दैट्स इट, एंड अ स्पून. ओके, नाउ लेट मी शो यू अ स्मॉल कढ़ाई. I got this one. This was a very cute little kadai, very small. जिस तड़का लगाना होता है, you have to temper your dal or anything. This is so handy and so cute. And I told my house help that this should not get spoiled. The coating should be the way I bought it. Or you don't touch it. I will wash it on my own because I'm very particular. If something is so cute, I would not bear it getting spoiled or damaged. I'm very particular about it. So guys, look at this kadai. It's so cute, right? Yeah? Chalo, let's move to the next one. These are some random plates for serving. As you can see, you can, like you serve something, you can have put in the ketchup in this, or your some kind of, any kind of ketchup or chutney or anything, and you can serve it and have it, just dip and have it. Isn't it cute? Isn't it handy? Yeah? Well, I did find it. So I picked it up. I have a set of 6 basically, but I am just showing you 2. I am picking up all these items in Kanpur only. I am not going to Delhi or any big city to buy it. And all of you guys who have thought that कि Kanpur थोड़ा backward है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Because of the net, because of Instagram, everything has changed. No city is left far behind. Everybody is polished, everybody is educated, everybody knows about what's happening, what's there, what's the in thing, be it youngsters or even the mid-age woman or the late 40s and the 50s or whatsoever. Yeah, next article I would like, which I loved it, is the candy jar. It's a candy jar. जब आपके घर में फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनके बच्चे हों, इवन आपके फ्रेंड्स भी, just to enhance your taste buds, just open your jar and give them a candy. कितना क्यूट है ये. इसमें बहुत डिजाइन्स भी आते हैं, बहुत शेप्स भी आते हैं. इसको आप कैंडी जार बना सकते हैं, बट बेसिकली ये आई थिंक दिस वुड सर्व द पर्पस ऑफ पुटिंग योर शुगर. जैसे आपको कोई आए तो यू हैव टू यूज सर्व विद शुगर. तो बहुत कई बार मैंने देखा है कि पहले होता था कि पूरा टी सेट होता था विद यू हैड द कप फॉर पोरिंग द मिल्क एंड देन फॉर द, बट आजकल जनरली सिर्फ कप्स आते हैं, तो इट गेट्स डिफिकल्ट समटाइम्स कि आप सर्व करो चीनी तो किस में करो. So we should have such kind of small little jars. Even if you want, you can have smaller than this to serve the purpose of sugar. I don't use sugar, I use jaggery powder. That's more healthier and it's tastier also. I'll show you this. These glasses were very in many years back. This is like bought by my mother-in-law. Yeah. This when I got married. It's since then. And I've kept it, and I'm very fortunate that it didn't break, and I've kept it very safely, and I hardly use it because इसका जो glass है इतना thin है, just accidentally just touch it and you know it would break into pieces. तो ये मैंने सिर्फ उनकी memory के रूप में, she's no more, in her memory I have kept it, I've preserved it because this is the only article I think I have. because ज़्यादातर crockery तो they break, with time they break. This is something which I have kept it very safely in remembrance of my mother-in-law, and which I can use it when I remember her a lot, and my husband. You can put in ice cream in this. You can have, see, how do you play? You can have a pista, a strawberry, a mango flavor, a chocolate flavor, and a vanilla. So you have shades of different ice creams in this, and just top it up with roasted nuts, and then tell me, and have a spoon like this. Have a spoon like this, dig into your glass and have a bite and tell me all the flavors. It all depends upon your taste, which flavor you want. But you should have 4 to 5 flavors you can put into this. Scoop of 4 to 5 flavors and then stick in and have. And then with roasted nuts. Don't forget to add roasted nuts on top. जो आपको आइसक्रीम्स शॉप में मिलती है. You can make it at home also. मैं ज़्यादातर क्या करती हूँ, मैं ब्रिक्स ले आती हूँ अलग अलग टेस्ट के, कलर्स के, and then I just layer it up in different ways, top it up with nuts, and I dig it with the spoon, and it's really nice to have it with the spoon. So now let's move to the next article. वो भी एक ग्लास ही होगा. Yeah, I take this. इसमें मैं क्या करती हूँ, अगेन एज वी डोंट ड्रिंक, नो वोडका, नो नथिंग, तो मैं क्या करती हूँ इसमें, आई ऐड सम लेमनेड एंड पुट अ डैश ऑफ अ फ्यू लीव्स ऑफ मिंट, a slice of lime, and we have it in this. It serves so beautifully कि आप जब प्रेजेंट करते हो आपको खुद को भी प्राउड फील होता है कि आपने कितनी अच्छी चीज़ खरीदी और आप कितने अच्छे से आप प्रेजेंट करते हो. और सामने वाले को जो who's having, whosoever is your guest, he or she would also love it, right? So guys, this also should be a part of your crockery. Now moving to the next article, let's go to the cup. I'll show you this cup. This is very sleek, very pretty, very sleek, and it serves a purpose. जैसे offices में, like you're at your work, working on your laptop, or maybe if you have to randomly get up and do some work. So you have to just plug in this small little plate and you keep your cup on it. ये प्लेट इस कप के साथ ही आता है. You don't get it individually. So all you have to do is just plug in, have your tea or coffee in this, and you have a very beautiful stirrer, this golden spoon, as you can see, and there is a small partition made here to hold the spoon. Now these cups, as you can see, they are very nice coffee mugs. I got this from Fab India. Very aesthetic, very aesthetic. I love the color. It's a very different color because generally you don't get the color of your choice, and I just enjoy having my cup of coffee in these cups. So guys, if you like it, you can check out in Fab India. This is a cutlery holder. Like these spoons I have, I can just drop in these spoons and place it on my dining table, and they look very, very stylish. And this is the knife. Use it for picking your pizza slice. So it serves many purposes that you have to decide. You want it for your pudding, or for your cake, or for your pastries, or for your pizzas. Yeah, even you can pick up your ढोकलाs also. अगर कोई आता है जैसे holding a ढोकला, it doesn't look nice आप ढोकला किसी को serve करो with holding your hand. So it's nice to just pick under the ढोकला and place it in the plate. So this kind of a knife should be a part of your cutlery. It serves many purposes. Now we'll just move to the next section, that is the serving section. Well, I have not picked up many of those. I have picked up something very different. This is my baking tray. Yeah, I use this product, this item for baking basically. I generally make baked vegetables, baked macaroni, lasagna. I'm fond of cooking also. But it's occasional when I'm in a mood to cook. Otherwise, it's my house help who's taking care of everything. I'm very lazy and I'm very moody. The problem is not that I'm lazy. I'm very moody. Maybe because I'm coming towards my menopause stage. That's why it's making me moody. We'll definitely speak about menopause also someday. I have a friend who is a gynae, and I'll get her and we'll speak about matters regarding menopause also. So we have a lot of stuff coming up, but all we have to do is to wait. Like I have waiting, you guys also will have to Wait, serving dish is this. This I got it again long many years back, and the color of this it excited me so much, and it had a small little version of this pot also, but it broke. It was like it broke, and it broke my heart also, because it was a set of 3. So I use it for baking. It's made out of ceramic, so you can bake it also directly, put it into the oven, bake something and present it over the day. No issues, no headache कि मैंने इसको ट्रांसफर करना है दूसरे बाउल में या दूसरे डिश में. Just bake it into this. और इसका जो प्रिंट है कितना खूबसूरत है, इसका कलर कितना खूबसूरत है ना, बहुत खूबसूरत है. वो कहते हैं ना कि आप खाना अपनी आंखों से पहले खाते हो और ज़बान बाद में खाती है, क्योंकि when you see something and it looks tempting to the eye, it is only then your taste buds start secreting those chemicals or whatever it is called. No, I want to have that. So आंखों से खाते हैं. प्रेजेंटेशन भी अच्छी रखिए तो आंखें बोलेंगी कि I want to go and have on that plate, on that to that person's house. उनके घर में प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छी होती है, तो प्रेजेंटेशन का बहुत ध्यान रखिए. हाँ, जिस कप में मैं चाय पी रही थी ये भी एक कांच का है. दिस इज ऑल्सो एज यू कैन सी, ये मेरे फादर के गांव से है. माई फादर in Cochin was a crockery businessman, and he was for almost 35 years we stayed in Cochin, and he was in the line of crockery. Then he got old, he had a heart attack, and then things went haywire, and now he's settled in Hyderabad. But I have this little piece which makes me remember of those days, because that time in many years back you didn't have these random crockery like you get today so easily. It was a luxury. Let me tell you a little bit about crockery. Long many years back, maybe I am talking about say 20 years back or 22 years back, having a crockery dinner set was a luxury, guys. It was seriously luxury, because I had a retail showroom also by the name China Shopping. So at that time only the extreme cream class only could afford to have a dinner set. और उस समय जो वो जो आती थी कट ग्लासेस, जो आजकल कट ग्लासेस के नाम से जो आजकल आ रहे हैं वो असली कट ग्लासेस नहीं है. वो असली कट ग्लासेस आते थे, there was a company called Dawood, उसके होते थे. they were the original कट ग्लासेस. अब जैसे आजकल ऐसे इतने रैंडम पीसेस ये जो आ गए, मे बी आपको मार्केट में मे बी 100,000 से नीचे किसी भी रेंज में मिल सकता है. बट those days this kind of pieces were original, और ये एक luxury item होता था, not a random pickup. This is like not a random pickup like today. It was a luxury item, guys. तो ये चीजें पता नहीं होती है, कोई बात नहीं, क्योंकि हर चीज का एक वक्त होता है. उस समय वो चीज का वक्त था तो people knew about it. आज नहीं पता है तो it's okay. But I'm just giving you a small information on it. Please have a look at this. ये कांच का है, ये आपको नहीं मिलेगा. क्यों नहीं मिलेगा पूछिए? क्योंकि ये मेरे फादर के शोरूम का है, जो मैंने आपको बताया क्रॉकरी का था. दिस इज दैट मेनी इयर्स ओल्ड. आपको कितने आर्टिकल मिल जाएंगे, बट ये आर्टिकल आपको नहीं मिलेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज केप्ट विद मी फॉर ऑलमोस्ट, मेरे पहले पेरेंट्स के घर में था, मम्मी के पास था ये फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 10 years. फिर आई एम मैरिड सिंस 25 years. So it's almost 35 years of this product. Can you believe it? And the next product is this. This is a toothpick holder. Yeah, देख रहे हैं? This is a toothpick holder. This again is from my dad's showroom. In my father's remembrance of his collection, जो बहुत मुश्किल है आप मिलना. अगर मिल जाए तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. आपने देखा आज मैंने इतना जो भी दिखाया, आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा है. ये मेरे लिए बहुत डियर है. मेरे लिए बड़ी महंगी चीज़ें, ब्रांडेड चीज़ें मायने नहीं रखती है. ब्रांड आपके माइंड में होना चाहिए, ब्रांड आपकी सोच में होना चाहिए. आपके बिहेवियर में होना चाहिए। अगर आप रूड है, एरोगेंट है, आपके अंदर एम्पैथी नहीं है, मैं ये बातें इसलिए बोलना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि आज के टाइम में जो है ह्यूमन वैल्यूज की अब कोई फीलिंग्स रह नहीं गई हैं। People are just wanting to show off कि I have this, I have that. It is good. You are blessed. It is really good. You are blessed. You have everything. But ये थोड़ा substance अपने अंदर भी तो होना चाहिए कि you are empathetic towards the needy, not the poor only. I am saying. I am not saying to be empathetic only towards the poor. It's to be towards the needy. Needy can be anybody. You should have care, love towards nature. आप देख रहे हैं आज के टाइम में कितना प्लास्टिक है हर जगह। मुझे भी बहुत दुख लगता है, बट आई नो आई एम ऑल्सो फीलिंग हेल्पलेस। इवन मैं ये फील करती हूँ कि जेप्टो से या ब्लिंकिट से जो उनके बैग्स आते हैं, जो पेपर बैग्स, आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू देम फॉर दोज पेपर बैग्स, दे यू नॉट यूजिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ प्लास्टिक। लेकिन मुझे कई बार ये भी लगता है कि ये जो पेपर बैग्स भी हैं, ये तो अल्टीमेटली पेड़ों को काट के ही तो बनते हैं। तो इन पेपर बैग्स की भी एक वैल्यू है, इसको संभाल के रखिए, यूज़ करिए, और अगर हो सके तो बिना बैग के ही अपना प्रोडक्ट मंगाइए। इन केस आपका प्रोडक्ट छोटा सा है या थोड़े से अगर आपकी क्वांटिटी में है तो जस्ट यू कैन जस्ट से नो टू योर इफ यू वांट अ बैग और नॉट। टेक आउट टाइम फॉर योर लव्ड वंस, फॉर योर एल्डर्स, for your children. Let us not be all the time engrossed in ourselves. हम क्या करते हैं, ourselves का मतलब होता है हम ये नहीं प्रोडक्टिव सोचते हैं कि हमें अपनी हेल्थ कैसे अच्छी करनी है, क्योंकि जब हम यंग होते हैं और वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स आवर एज, हमें रियलाइज नहीं होता कि हमारी हेल्थ कितनी हैम्पर हो रही है, हमारी स्किन कितनी हैम्पर हो रही है, हमारे बाल कितने हैम्पर हो रहे हैं। वी थिंक कि ये तो एज के साथ होता ही है। नो, definitely yes, age does play a matter and it plays a strong role. And secondly, आपके हार्मोन्स भी डिस्टर्ब होते हैं when you have babies, और चीज़ें आपकी बॉडी में there is hormonal changes and बहुत सारे लेडीज में फ्लक्चुएट होता है डेफिनेटली, बट स्टिल आप अच्छे लग सकते हो जब आपको पहले से ही पता है, you already know it that your body would be hampered after having children, your skin will take a toll. So why not start investing our time and energy into taking care of ourselves? We all can look beautiful. Nobody is ugly. You know what? I felt one day, I just want to share a small thing. There was a person, she was very pretty. One of my known persons, she was very pretty. But I was very young that I was maybe in my 18s, in my teens I was, 18, 19. I could never figure out, she's very pretty, but I don't know why I don't like her. Because that time हमारी maturity level इतनी नहीं थी, like जैसे आजकल के बच्चे, they are very smart enough. But 20 years, 25 years back, we weren't that smart. So I could not figure out, she's very pretty, but still I don't like her. I couldn't figure out why I don't like her. बाद में मुझे अब जैसे एज के साथ, समय के साथ पता लगा कि मुझे अच्छी वो इसलिए नहीं लगी क्योंकि वो उनका दिल अच्छा नहीं था, उनकी सोच अच्छी नहीं थी, उनके बिहेवियर अच्छा नहीं था। तो खूबसूरती का क्या फायदा जब आपका दिल और मन अच्छा नहीं है? तो आपका दिल और मन अच्छा होना चाहिए। इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम इन प्रेइंग द ऑलमाइटी। रिमेंबर ही इज वॉचिंग ऑल ऑफ अस 24/7। अगर 24/7 से भी ऊपर टाइम होता हो, he is inside us। हम कहते हैं भगवान सब जगह है, भगवान हमारे अंदर है। हम कुछ भी गंदा सोच रहे हैं या हम कुछ भी अडल्ट्रेटेड की सोच रहे हैं या किसी के बारे में गंदा सोच रहे हैं या किसी का बुरा सोच रहे हैं, भगवान को सब पता होता है। अल्टीमेटली सम डे यू हैव टू पे फॉर इट। तो क्यों ना हम अभी से ही अच्छी बात अपने मन में लाएं, सोचें, और वो चेहरे पे झलकता है। इफ यू आर अ पर्सन विद अ गुड हार्ट, डेफिनेटली वो आपके चेहरे पे झलकेगा। आपको कोई मेकअप करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी किसी चीज के लिए, बिकॉज योर स्माइल, दिस इनोसेंस इन योर स्माइल विल शो एंड रिफ्लेक्ट दैट यू आर अ गुड पर्सन। You don't have to be good to show somebody. You have to be good for yourself, so that you feel pure, you feel clean, you feel burdenless. That no, I haven't harmed anybody, and if I have done any mistakes, I ask God for forgiveness. I'm not trying to preach. Please, woman, don't judge me. I'm not trying to preach. It is just my feeling, like I'm talking to you all. I feel like we are all friends. So that is why I'm speaking my heart out. जैसे एक दोस्त दोस्त के साथ बात करता है. I'm not preaching. Please, I'm sorry if you feel I'm preaching. I'm not preaching. I'm so sorry if you all feel so. तो चलिए, बातें तो हो गई, ब्लॉग भी शायद लंबा हो गया होगा. So अब हमें ख़त्म भी करना होगा ब्लॉग. तो फिर दोबारा से फिर मैं कहूँ LS2, like, share, subscribe and please comment. Please do comment because I'm very eagerly waiting to read all your comments. और आपको लगे कि कुछ और है, I have to improve my vlogs or आपका कोई कंटेंट है जो आपके मन में है कि मैं वो करूँ, तो प्लीज़ आप बताइए, मैं बिल्कुल करूँगी. थोड़ा सा टाइम मुझे दीजिएगा, लेकिन बिल्कुल करूँगी. Until then, wait for my more vlogs. I will very soon tell you कि मैं कौन सा ऐसा पर्टिकुलर दिन होगा जब मैं अपने vlogs डाला करूँगी, ताकि उस दिन आप enjoy कर सकें. थोड़ी इंजॉयमेंट के साथ थोड़ी सी अच्छी बातें भी हो जाए तो दोनों का मिक्सचर अच्छा हो. We'll enjoy it, है ना? I hope so. Okay then, all you lovely women out there. Oh sorry, a big bye. Keep smiling. Please take care of your health, your skin, your body. You are very special because you're taking care of the whole family. You're taking care of many people around you. So please take care of yourself also. Okay then, until then, a big bye. Keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.